Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to install a JDK in Windows machine. Before that, let's have a quick look at what is JDK and why we need one. We know, to run a Java program, first we need to compile it, and to run the compiled program we need a virtual machine called JRE. If you are not already familiar with Java Compilot and Java Runtime Environment, I would recommend you to watch my video on why should we learn Java. So, we need a compiler and a JRE to start writing Java programs. We will get both the compiler and JRE, along with some other additional tools required for developing Java applications, bundled as JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Come on, let's go and see how to install one. Let's search the internet for a JDK. I am going to download it from Oracle website. Java Standard Edition 14.0 was the latest version available when I was making this video. But you are free to install any version you wish, preferably the latest version available at that point in time. Let's go and click on the download link. Here, you can find installers for different platforms, like different flavors of Linux, Mac and Windows. Since we are going to install it on Windows, I am going with the Windows installer. Accept the license agreement and trigger the download. I am going to download it to a folder named Java and C drive. It is downloading pretty fast. Now, we got the installer downloaded. Before starting the installation, I am going to verify whether the installer we just downloaded is intact or not. I am going to do this by generating the hash for the downloaded file and compare it with the one available in the internet. It is always suggested to verify the checksum of installers and binaries, especially if it is downloaded from internet, to confirm if the file is not tampered or lost in transit. Even if a single bit is altered, the checksums are not going to match. Let me show you how to generate the hash of the downloaded file. Let's open the command prompt and go to the location where we have our installer. It is certutil, the file name and the algorithm name. Since we are going to compare with SHA-256 generated hash, I am going to use the same in our command. Now we got the hash generated for our installer. Let's compare it with the one in the internet. It's a match. That means the file is intact and we are good to go. Go to the installer and double-click on it. Click on the Next. I am not going to change the installation location. Let it install in the default location. Installation is success. Before start using the JDK, we just need to do two configurations so that we don't need to tell every time we run Java program where the JDK is. The first one is to the Java home environment variable and the second is to set the bin folder in path environment variable. Go to Run and type environment and select Edit System Environment. Click on Environment Variable. Here you can see user-level environment variables and system-level environment variables. I am going to set it system level so that JDK will be available for all users of this machine. First, I am going to create a new environment variable called Java_home, all in caps, and in the variable value I am going to put the path of the home directory of our installation. Next, I am going to put the bin under Java home in the path variable. Since path variable is already available, I am not going to use new, I will use edit instead. Don't alter the existing paths. Just add a new one as Java home \bin. Done. Click on OK and OK again. Let's go and verify if both our installation and configuration are OK. For that I am going to the command prompt. And type Java-version. If all good, I will get the version displayed in the console. Bingo! We have successfully installed JDK. I want you guys also install the JDK and join me in my next video to write our first Java program. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already and click the bell icon to get notified when I add new videos. Don't hesitate to share your comments. We'll meet you soon. Till then, bye-bye, from Yuva.